Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Hamad, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a complete step-by-step walkthrough tutorial of how to get started with Wealthsimple Trade in 2024. So first of all, Wealthsimple Trade is a zero commission online trading platform where you can trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. And they also offer $0 account minimums, so it's a great platform for beginners. First thing you want to do is go ahead and sign up for the platform. I recommend you using the mobile app. There's a lot more features in it, but just for this video, I'm going to be go ahead and use the desktop version. And when you do sign up, there'll also be a link in the description to my referral code. So when you do sign up with that code, you'll get some free cash. So once you've signed up, you're going to get to a screen that looks somewhat like this. And here's really your portfolio where you'll see your account balance, the different stocks that you do own and hold, and just really a quick dashboard view of what's going on with your account, right? That's sort of the main screen there. Over here, you'll find the activity page, and here you can see all the different activity that's happened within your account. So whether it's withdrawals, deposits, if you recently got a dividend, that kind of thing, it all shows up over here. And we also have this move funds button over here where you can add funds, withdraw funds, and transfer over an account. Typically, if you're just starting out, you're going to want to add some funds so you can start buying stocks and whatnot. This is what that page would kind of look like. Just connecting your bank account, and then you can choose the amount to deposit. It does take a little bit of time, but it's really intuitive and super easy to use. Yeah, again, it's Wealthsimple, so really there's not too many buttons here. The main thing is being able to look up, research, and buy stocks, right? So for this example, I'm going to look up Apple stock right here. So you can just search for it in the search bar up there. Once you pull it up, you'll get quite a few information here, but really you're going to know the ticker symbol, the stock, the current price of that stock, and you're going to be able to view the graph in either a day, week, month, year, that kind of thing, just to see what the performance of the stock looks like. And if you scroll down, you're going to see, the market details, just a lot of stuff where you can do your research and find out whether the stock's worth buying. There's also information on news, whether they've had some recent events or whatnot. And again, this video really isn't meant to be financial advice telling you what to buy and whatnot, but more so just to show you how to use the platform and kind of understand what we're looking at and what we're dealing with. So I'm assuming you did your research and you realize that this is a stock that you want to purchase. So how would you go and do that, right? So over here in the trade account section, you can choose which account you're going to be buying it with. I don't have any funds in there at the moment, but assuming you did have funds, you would go ahead and select that account. You can choose what type of order it would be. I typically go for market buy, but again, do your research, figure out what makes sense for you. And then you can also select how many different shares you want to buy. So yeah, if you did want to go ahead and buy one share of Apple stock, this is kind of what the page would look like. You'd go ahead and press buy AAPL over here. You get this little notice over here just telling you how the order works. Just a little bit of information there. You go ahead and press next. And then you also get this information here just about the ceiling they apply. So that way they ensure you have enough funds to place the order. Go ahead and press continue. And then you would just press confirm order to buy it. Again, this is just for test purposes, so I'm going to press cancel this order, but that's sort of how you would go ahead and buy a stock. All right, now that you understand how to navigate the platform and how to buy a stock, I just want to quickly go over some of my favorite features of Wealthsimple and the reason why I've been using the platform for so long. One of them it being fractional trading. So if you see over here, this little pie looking icon over here, fractional trading available. So that kind of tells you that if you didn't want to pay the full 192 to buy the share, you can also break it down. So if you have half of that, you can, or even like $10, you can use that to buy a percentage of the share as well. So that's really cool and helpful just for being able to buy this share, even though you may not have enough in your account at the moment. So that's one of the really great features about Wealthsimple Trade. Another great feature of Wealthsimple Trade is being able to add a stock to your watch list. So if I click this little star button over here, add to watch list, boom, now it'll be added to my watch list. And next time I look at my main portfolio dashboard, I'll be able to quickly see how that stock's performing. And finally, the last feature that I want to talk about today, which is super cool to me, is the ability to be able to stake cryptocurrency. Fortunately, it's not available on the desktop version just yet, but it is available on the mobile version where when you do buy cryptocurrency, you'll be able to stake it and earn a percentage return, kind of like passive income essentially, right? So that's a super cool feature. I know that's what a ton of people use this for, so that just wanted to throw that in there. That's another feature of Wealthsimple Trade. All right, and that's about it. That kind of covers everything you really need to get started using the platform. So go out there, download the app, get started, and don't forget to use my referral code in the description below. But yeah, I hope this video was super valuable, showing you guys how to use the platform. Again, not really investment advice, more so just getting familiar with the platform so you have the confidence to go out there, start investing and saving and all that good stuff. So have a great day.